the Juju did on Homestead.
Alright, we're going to get ahead and feed the chicken, check for eggs, and go on a nature walk. So we figure bring y'all along with us. So, alright, let's go ahead and feed the chickens and stuff. Watch out for the chicken poop. It's everywhere. Alright, let's go there by the hay bales and throw some out to the chickens. Well, it's finally cooling off here, ain't it, Bubby?
Mm-hmm.
It's getting down in the low 20s the last couple of weeks. Here, bub. Let's throw it over here. There you go. That'll work. Alright, let's go check for eggs. How many eggs do you think we're going to find?
Probably one.
One?
One.
Yeah, we haven't been getting very many here lately.
Why did it feel?
Find you a tail feather? Let's go see if there's any eggs in here. Any eggs?
Poop. And no, just a yard poop.
There's a lot of poop.
Yep.
Alright, let's go check around the round bales, see if there's any eggs over there. Or where's that doghouse at?
Over there.
Okay, let's go look in there.
I already did.
Oh, there ain't none in there?
Yep. No.
Okay.
But right in there.
Oh, that other doghouse?
Yeah. Not yet, James hit me.
Alright, James ain't gonna mess with you. Nope. Wife's baby chickens. The newer ones, they're getting big.
Then they learn how to fly.
Yeah. She's a good mama. Alright, you said you wanted to go on a nature walk, check out your shelter you made?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go check it out.
And we might make some more.
Make some more?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, the wife, she's got chickens everywhere. Yeah. Think your fork's still up? It is still left, ain't it?
Yeah, when we're supposed to knock it over. Look at those fire pits.
Well, you can't hardly see your fork, can you?
Yeah.
It's all camouflaged.
Yeah.
Doc, he's gonna walk with us. Yeah.
Do not let that reindeer reach all that.
Huh?
Do not let the reindeer reach it.
Put the finishing touch on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, there's this fire pit.
Yeah.
I need to get some hot dogs, come there and cook some hot dogs.
Yeah.
You like hot dogs?
Yeah.
Here's James howling. What about getting some marshmallows and stuff? Roasting them. Would you like that?
Dog.
Huh?
Dog.
Oh, yeah. But yeah, Bubby, he done a pretty good job on his little fort. He's been wanting to camp in it, but man, like I said, it's been getting down in the low 20s at night.
Did I find them some
All right, baby, let's go here and let's show them that old barn. We have an old barn on our place. It's a mess, but we need to get it knocked down and cleaned up. We need to do a lot of things I haven't done yet.
Oh, we have to touch this down, but then go for the entrance.
Ah, sacred entrance. You all right? All right, that's looking good.
Some firewood from way down, some more walk.
Yeah. I think we got plenty of wood around here we can start a fire. All right, we're gonna go on a little nature walk. Yeah. There's a little junk pile right there. It was here when we got this place.
There's nothing used that yet.
Oh, okay.
Every animal that is a meat eater that does meat is well in there, they won't even see us.
Won't see us?
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, there's even an old deck from from an old trailer. But,
No one.
huh?
No one.
Mm.
Want me to put us in there? This is out of here. That's why I found a nature walk sheet. That was this picture right there.
Oh. You want to go walk and check out the old barn?
Go to the walking stick.
Little walking stick?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to that old barn and see what's inside there. I think the guy used to own this before we bought it. Used to go to auctions a lot. And I think he used that barn to put all of his auction stuff that he bought. What do you think, bub?
But there was too much stuff and old stuff in there.
Yeah.
I remember Whitney, Gigi, and my mom used to live in there.
Oh, your Gigi and your mom used to live in that old barn?
Yeah, and Whitney.
In Whitney?
Yeah.
Were they hobos or what? That's just James. All right, you lead the way. Hey, look at this, Bubby. I think, look, there's a buck been rubbing on this tree right behind the house.
What?
A buck? It's called a buck rub. It's where they've been rubbing their horns. That's pretty cool, huh?
Wait, let me pick that up.
Pick what up?
The thing that you saw.
No, it's right here. Where they rubbed his horns. See it?
Yeah. What? In that they were rubbing their horns on?
Yeah.
Those don't fall off, so if they were going... That's easy to pick up.
Yeah, here's the old barn. We have to be careful we don't step on some old nails, but there ain't no telling what's all in there. That looks like lime or something. But
How would they live in there if that was a big mess?
I don't think you, Gigi, and your mom and them lived in here. I think Gigi was pulling your leg.
No, that's what.
What?
No, I was a toilet.
Why is there a toilet?
Yeah.
Hey, if I got a new toilet and put this one out here. Yeah, we'll have to ask Gigi if they lived out here. I think she's pulling your leg.
She wasn't.
Oh, she wasn't?
You always.
That looks like an old corral or a working chute. We probably had cows at one time. Let's walk around here, Bubby. Check this out. Watch for nails. Follow behind Papa.
Wait a minute. Papa.
Yeah, don't be lifting stuff up.
Remember that time I used up that big piece of wood?
And there's a snake under it, wasn't it?
Yeah. And don't touch the glass.
Mm. Well, there's a bathtub. You want to take a bath?
That's what my mom always did you always point to that was a big swimming
Yeah,
place
your
where,
neighbors driving around.
yeah, and then they do this.
Yeah.
Or if it's like a water park. And they said it's time for the game.
But yeah, I say this was his working chute, and there's his loading chute. Used to be one. It's probably where he separated his cows at one time.
Yeah, so mommy's house doing there, and the daddy's house doing there. But why would the cows need to go to a toilet?
Well, do what?
Why would the cows need to go to a toilet? And how did the cows go away of that entrance?
How did the cows use the toilet?
Yeah.
I don't know. How you think they did?
But how did the cows escape?
Well, they probably had no fence up here at one time. It fell off, and he probably brought them in here and doctored them, or if they had calves and stuff. Then he probably gave them a bath. You think so? No. You don't think he
look inside that bath.
You don't think he gave his cows a bath?
Why would they do that? There's a lot of old stuff.
Yeah, they are. Like an old dog house or something back here.
Come look in here, Papa. Come look.
Yeah, a bunch of stuff in there.
And how would the cows even fit in there?
I don't know.
He had 15 cows.
All right, let's get out of here.
Papa.
Yeah, no railroad tie.
That was big.
Yeah.
How's all of this happening in this spooky place? There would be coyotes living in here.
Be coyotes living in here?
Yeah.
What we need to do, if I get some of that wood off of that chute over there and make some birdhouses or something. What do you think about that?
Papa, can you see me?
Yeah.
Really?
Thought you, oh, your camel hat?
Yeah.
The only thing I seen was your white face.
Hey, no, walk over there.
Over here, all right. Careful, watch the nails. Yeah, I'm not too worried about copperheads and stuff this time of year. It's been getting down in the low 20s, so.
How about you there?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, we need to get some of that old wood and make a birdhouse.
Yeah.
We might have to make a video doing that.
Wait, look. No one even knew there was a fan.
Yeah, that's an old box fan, ain't it? That's cool. We can fasten that up to your back and maybe you can fly.
What?
Tie that fan to your back. Think you can fly?
No.
No.
Tire.
Watch them briars.
Okay. Papa.
Yeah, I bet this was his old working chute when he had cows at one time.
There's nothing in there.
Yeah, an old pop can.
Yeah, but look. See that blue and pink?
Yeah, coyotes and stuff probably living underneath there. See how they dug it out?
Yeah.
Ain't no telling, probably coyotes, coons, or something.
I hope it's a coon.
You hope it's a coon?
Yeah.
We did catch some coons over here, didn't we, Bub? Bubby, he brought his live trap over and caught 2 coons in his live trap. Remember that?
Yeah, when it was right there.
Yeah.
But after we fell over and it blocked the entrance. And we can never set the gas truck over there ever again.
Yeah.
Papa, since I'm saying tonight, we're going to set our live trap.
Well, we might be able to do that. You want to do that?
Yeah.
All right.
That's why I want to catch probably probably 2 possums. I would like the woodpecker.
Caught 2 possums, catch or break the world record?
What about
Maybe.
2 skunks?
We don't want no skunks in there. That'd stink.
I'll shoot them.
You shoot them? Alright, we made it out of them old briars. Now, what'd you find? Is that a piece of glass?
Yeah.
Hey, let me see that. Be careful, that'll cut your fingers.
No, that's actually...
Yeah, you don't want that. That'll cut you.
No, that's actually an ice cube.
Ice cube?
Yeah, it was on the wall.
Okay.
Good glass.
Alright, let's walk around over here. It's a beautiful day, ain't it?
Yeah.
A little windy, so sorry about
And
the
it's also warm.
wind. You guys can probably hear it.
And it's probably warm enough so I could on a polo ride.
Polo ride?
Remember when I was 3 and I was up there? Pick me up there.
Pick you up there?
Yeah,
Huh?
I have 14 towers.
Alright, baby, he's wanting to sit on the limb. Come on,
Yeah.
Doc.
Do not touch.
Okay.
Now you have to lift me up.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, boy, you're getting big. Alright, grab that limb. Yeah, we used to set him up there when he was a little kid. I think I'm going to take a picture of him and use it as a thumbnail. Hang on, guys.
And
No, that's the right one. It was
I
smaller.
remember that one. I remember that one.
Huh. Oh, that little smaller one over by Doc?
Yeah. Yeah, I'd fall off that one.
Yeah.
I have nothing to hold on to
Yeah.
over there, but over here, yes.
Hmm. I ain't for sure what kind of tree this is, but I think it's one of them wall plum trees or something like that, but I ain't for sure. It has like little bitty round berries on it, like it looks like little small cherries with long stems on them. So, all right, we got Bubby out of the tree. Phew, thought I smelled something.
Hold on to me.
Need some help?
Now hurry up, boy.
Get your boot on yet? Careful. Need some help? Okay. Alright. So we decided it'd be a good day just take a little nature walk around the old property, huh, bub? You still got something in your boot?
Come on, these boots are 10 out of 8.
Yeah.
A 0 out of 0.
A 0 out of 0? Let me see. Let Papa see it. It's probably on your socks. All
I
right.
don't even know how on Instagram how people do that.
On the Instagram, do what? Oh, hang on a second. Let me help him out. Oh, you didn't like it backwards?
Stop making me too strong.
Yeah. Yeah, this used to be my food plot, but I didn't even plant one this year. Been busy at work and haven't had time to do it. Haven't even got to deer hunt much. He's been going with his dad. Have you guys been seeing a lot of deer?
Yep.
And turkeys. And turkeys too, right?
One turkey and yeah, some on the way. So my first time I'm 5 years old, we saw probably like 5 or 10 turkeys and one armadillo.
Oh, okay.
They always sold.
All right, me and Bubby, we're gonna get off here and do a little bit more nature walking and stuff. So we figured we'd bring you guys along and make a little video with y'all. So what are you gonna say to them?
Yeah, can we subscribe to GT's?
Little Homestead.
Little Homestead.
All right, we'll catch you all on the next one.